Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Cassandra 5.0, that is the latest version on Debian operating system. Open any web browser, go to Cassandra official website, that is cassandra.apache.org. See here, the latest version is Cassandra 5.0. To install, click on documentation, then click on this plus Cassandra, then getting started, then select the installing Cassandra. See here, the supported Linux distributions are Alma Linux, Amazon Linux, Debian, RHL, SUSE and Ubuntu. So Debian supports. Now scroll down. See, the prerequisites are Java 11 or 17, OpenJDK 11 or OpenJDK 17. Let us verify whether we have the Java or not. Open terminal, Java -- version. See, I don't have Java installed. See, I don't have Java installed, so install Java. Download Java OpenJDK 17. Simply go to this Oracle official website. See here we have the Java JDK 17. Click on Java JDK 17. Then we have to install this .debian package. So copy this link, go to terminal, duplicate, paste that link to download the .debian package, and its size is 150 megabytes. We have downloaded the .debian package. So we have to install this one. Sudo dpkg-i jdk, give the tab to autofill and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. We have successfully installed Java JDK 17. Now view the Java -- version. See, we have installed Java JDK 17. So prerequisite matched. Next, to use CSQL, that is Cassandra query language shell, install the latest version of Python 3.8 or between 3.8 to 3.11. If you have the 3.12, it won't work. So verify the Python version. Python 3. See, I have the Python 3.12. So both the prerequisites matched. Ctrl G to quit. Now scroll down. See here we have the three installation methods: Docker image, tarball image and package installation. We are going to use this package installation method. Okay, scroll down. This is the tarball method. Scroll down. See, install as Debian package. For Ubuntu or Debian, we have to use the Debian package method. So we have to create this file by using this command. So copy this one. Here 50x means version number 50. Copy it, paste it at the start. Okay, hit enter. See, no, we have to copy only up to here. The next two lines are the output. Control L, paste only the first line. See, next two lines are the output of the command. Okay, now add the repository keys to the server. So by using this command call, copy this one, then give the sudo and paste it, hit enter. Is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update, hit enter. It's done. Now install the Cassandra. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Ctrl L to clear screen. Let us verify the status of Cassandra. Sudo systemctl status Cassandra, hit enter. See, Cassandra service is active and running. Okay, Q2Kit. Now connect to Cassandra. If you want to see the logs, you have to click on here. Now check the status by running this command also. Copy it. That is node tool. Paste it, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Cassandra is up and now CQ LSH. See, we have successfully connected to Cassandra. So we have successfully installed Cassandra. This is the Cassandra version. Okay, and this is the Cassandra query language shell version. Okay. See, if you want to see the cluster name, listen address from the Cassandra, you have to see this is the test center. This is the cluster name. Anyway, if you want to verify, give this command, hit enter. See, this is the cluster name and this is the IP. Go to this query language, definitions. See, these are the commands to create the key spaces. Okay, you can practice. I will keep this link in the video description. You can practice how to create the key space and use the key space. See, here we have the different options like create key space, use key space. See here, just you need to use the key space. Okay, I'm going to show you how to create key space. This is the create key space. See, create key space. I'm going to give key space name as Ctrl Z CQ LSH, create key space R2 schools, hit enter, then give this with replication option. Paste it. We have successfully created. Now use R2 schools. See, now we are in the R2 schools key space. In the same way, if you want to create another key space, this is the simple strategy and this is the network topology strategy. You can practice all. If you want to create table, you have to go to here. See, this is the create table syntax. You can practice. See, these are the examples. Let me create a table. Copy this one. Paste it, hit enter. We have successfully created. See, we have different options. Okay, so if you want to exit, give the exit. If you want to stop the Cassandra service, sudo systemctl stop Cassandra, hit enter. Now if you give CQLS, we are unable to connect. Now start it again by using same command. Just replace this stop with start, hit enter. Now connect to CQ Cassandra by using the command CQ LSH. Wait, it is loading. Check the status. See, it is active and running. Now check the status of Cassandra using node tool. See, Cassandra is running. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Cassandra 5.0 and Debian Linux operating system. Then we have seen how to connect to it and how to stop, start and restart Cassandra service on Debian. Then we have seen how to create the key space in Cassandra. Then also we have seen how to create a table in Cassandra. For more Cassandra or NoSQL videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.